This is Randall Neighbors. I'm at 455 Skyline Drive, Center Point, Texas. It's May 23rd, 2024. This will be the sixth flush of the toilet. I stuck the sewer cam down in there, and there was poop a foot away from that repair that where I cut the pipe, and they put in that 3-foot piece of pipe in there to do that repair. There's some poop. It's a foot or two away from that coupling. And then as I was pulling the camera out, I shut the video down, and as I was pulling the camera out, I noticed there's a big wad of poop right in the Y where it makes this 90-degree turn. So it's stuck in the Y. So anyways, after I shoot this video, I'll stick the sewer cam back in there and see if this flush moved that stuff any further down the line. Okay, number 6. All right, there we go. All right, let's get this tripod set up. See what comes out. Yeah, 5 flushes. I can't believe the stuff's sitting there in that Y. I thought it generally moved it all past there, but not so. So I have no hope that this stuff will clear in the next 4, 5, 10 flushes. I don't know. We will see. So hopefully you could see, before the water came, you could see how little feces is in the bucket. That was after 5. That was a combination of 5 flushes. All the feces in 5 flushes. I'm going to let this video keep running while I run to the clean out and insert the sewer cam and see if it moved the clog out at all. Well, the clog is still there. You know, I don't see any paper. It's assuming further down the line, but I really don't know. So I'm going to shut this off, and we're going to go ahead and do flush number 7. Over and out. That was flush number 6. Now we're going to do number 7.